Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to subscribe to a YouTube channel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you have to do is actually go ahead and sign into your YouTube account. If you haven't already created one, you're going to have to go ahead and create it and then sign in. Or if you just need to sign in, maybe you've signed out, just go ahead and sign into YouTube. And then go over to whatever channel you want to subscribe to. And then if you just search for the channel name, you can, in the search results, just click on the subscribe button that appears. Or if you click on the channel icon, you can then select the subscribe button that actually will appear on the main channel page. And then it'll say subscribe when you are subscribed, and there'll be a subscription added. If you want to unsubscribe, just click the drop down and then select unsubscribe. Unsubscribe from MD Tech videos, select unsubscribe, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.